Good for you, TEMU. You did good this time. Hey, stay tuned for the results. Did Amazon or TEMU have the best deals? And there are links for all of these items in the description box below. But let's get on with it, and you can see what I got. Hi, I'm so excited to show you this today. I went to TEMU and I ordered some rugs. And so I'm going to show you what we got. I don't know. We'll see. We'll open it up. We'll see the quality. We'll see what it's like. And I'm excited to show you. So let's go ahead and just rip this thing open. Okay. I've been doing some ordering from TEMU. Everybody I know has ordered from them, and they have varying results of whether they like it or whether they're very quality or whatever. But I needed a new rug for my office, and I didn't want to pay $300 or $400. You know, it's my office. It's not like I'm living here. So, and then I needed some covers for some throw pillows. Boy, this is hard to get open. Let me get a pair of scissors. And I just needed a few things, and I didn't want to pay a whole lot for them, so I went to see what I could find, and they had some deals going on. I guess they're deals. I don't know whether they run them all the time, or I don't know. We'll find out. So the first thing we got here, what's this? I don't even know what, oh, actually I ordered a shirt. There. That's cute. It's a little summer shirt just to wear around. Looks, I ordered an extra large, I think, and it looks like it's probably an extra large to a large, but we'll try that on later. So I got two of those, one in black and one in white, just those summer things that you wear underneath. Yeah, it looks like I got more than one. I guess I got fancy fingers when I went to ordering. This is another one. Kind of like what I have on now, but what I have on now is cotton, and this is some sort of acrylic. All I have are sweaters. I did a big clean out and took everything down to the thrift store that I didn't want anymore. Didn't want to wear anymore. It didn't fit or was worn out, or, you know, tired of it. Here's another one. They're all made out of this same material. This is cute. I'll see if it fits. It looks like it might be a little on the short side, but it's a stretchy nylon spandex material. I thought they would be more cotton, but I guess I didn't read the. You know, I've noticed on TEMU that their descriptions aren't very descriptive, so here's another one of those little, exactly like the black one, only in pink. Coral, actually, it looks like coral. I'm sort of into pink lately. I think it makes your complexion nice. And here's the white one. These little sleeveless ones are all the same style because I like that square neck, and if it works, it works. So here is the last one. So I'll try those on in a little bit, and we'll do a little fashion modeling. And the next thing I got here is, what is it? Are these the covers? These are the covers for the pillows. So, a few years back, I ordered something. I don't know. I thought I was ordering one, and I got one box, which was 12 throw pillows. Way too many. More than I needed. And they're cute, but really outdated. I'll show you. And these are going to be too big for the throw pillows I have, so now I have to go find a throw pillow that will fit. But here are the design. They're really cute. the throw pillow that I have to go in it would be this. I do believe it's just a little small. Let's see if I can get it to fit. Where's the opening? Oh, here's a little zipper. There we go. So let's put this in here, even though it's a bit on the small side. It might work anyway. It's okay to have a little overlap on your pillows. They don't have to fit right out to the top. Although this is quite small. Little tiny zipper on the side. See that? There we go. But you get the idea. This is a cute little pillow, little throw pillow for my office, and so I think I can use that. I'll have to get a different inside pillow though. That's just not gonna work, I don't think. Anyway, they come in a package of 4, and they're 4 different designs. There was that one, and then there's this one, and then there is this one, and lastly this one. So they're cute. They're made out of it's almost like a gunny sack material, but a little bit finer weave, and it's softer, but not super soft, more on the hardish side. But they're not a sleep pillow, they're just for looks, so that's fine with me. That's a good purchase. I should find out how much I actually paid for those. Now, the thing I really wanted, which is right here, is they had this rug. Now, they had them, it said $3. And it's like, no, they had a $3 one that's that big. I don't know, it looked like a napkin. But by the time I got done ordering this one, I think this one ended up being something like $50. But I just needed something for my office. So here is the rug I got for my office. It's supposed to be about 6 by 9. And I'm going to put it down, and then you'll get to take a look at what it looks like. So I'll see you in just a few minutes. Okay, so I was wrong. It was the smaller rug. The larger rug is on its way, but this is the one I got for when you come in the door of the office. And it fits in there just perfectly, nice and snug. And it'll keep people from tracking dirt and mud in here. I like. Okay, so here it is. It's in the entryway. And there's an entry to my office. It's all my pictures and things, and my desk. Yeah, so that's going to work fine there. Looks like it's got a little bubble I need to straighten out, but that will work just fine. Okay. This is really cute. With a black sweater. So all in all, I think it was a good shopping experience, and I got a few things for a little bit of money. It's not like I wanted anything fancy. I just wanted some cool things to just toss on, and I love the rug, and I really like the pillow covers. So good for you, TEMU. You did good this time. I hope it helped you. I'll put some links down below so you can, if you like some of these things, you can find them too. And be sure to come back. Like, subscribe, and by clicking that bell, you'll get to see what we do next time. I have some more things I've ordered, and they'll be coming soon. Bye-bye.